Hello everybody, my name is Will Wolbioff and welcome back to another video. The festivities are upon us. Outside it is brutally cold and the Christmas markets are open. They are delightful. So in today's video we are going to be making the ultimate Christmas blend of essential oils for your oil burner or vaporizer. But before we do that, let's go and hit the streets and I'm going to show you just how well Budapest does Christmas. I just got back from the Christmas markets where I bought myself these amazingly beautiful lambskin gloves. I also had myself a cheeky mulled wine, which is where the inspiration for this blend comes from. So we're gonna use orange, cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. Oh, what a beautiful combination this is going to be. So the aim today is to fill up a little 10 ml vial. So this will be 5 ml of essential oils and 5 ml of carrier oils. I would suggest using ones that have a little dropper pipette included. I do normally, I've just run out. Whilst traveling, I seem to be getting through my materials a little bit quicker than I expected. So let's get cracking. For orange sweet, we are adding 7 drops. This gives the scent a beautiful orange citrusy opening. We're adding 3 drops of the beautifully Christmassy cinnamon. Then we add 6 drops of nutmeg. This gives it a beautiful spicy scent. We then add the wonderful clove, 2 drops. We then add an equal amount of drops of carrier oil. We're using sweet almond oil, so it's a total of 18 drops. To create 5 milliliters of essential oils, we need to do a bit of maths. As you can see, we have 18 drops in total. There are 27 drops per milliliter, so it's 27 times 5, and then we divide that by 18. That gives us 7.5. It's a little bit easier to times by 7, so we times all the drops by 7, and then we add that back in to the beaker. Once you have all your oils, you decant them into your glass vial. We can then top up the essential oils with the sweet almond oil. Give it a good mix, and there it is, a beautiful Christmas blend. So there we are, we have a beautiful Christmas blend that really is gonna knock your socks off. Oh, I don't think there's anything more Christmassy. It is just like the mulled wine that I was drinking. So I'm gonna get this in the burner and I'm gonna soak up some of the beautiful Christmas spirit we have outside. If you've enjoyed this video, why not give it a like? And if you haven't already, come on into the family and subscribe. On this channel, we discover everything scent related. My name is Will Wolbioff, and I will see you in the next one.